Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Doing the intro from outside because I needed to check if Trump supporters were kicking in my door and stealing my mail. This video we're gonna do an all Ferrari video because for the channel this year was a big Ferrari content for the channel. So a lot of tailor-mades, a lot of sick Pistas, Speciales, Dinos, a lot of super rare Ferraris. And I just want to welcome all my new subscribers with some crazy Ferrari content. So let's get started. I won't do a whole big long intro. And again, welcome to Jag Pimp and all my new subscribers. So yeah, let's get started. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please grab yourself a t-shirt. They're now available. Store is up and ready, and it all helps the channel. So big stuff is coming. I'm just making the arrangements this week, and that will be coming up soon. 2 more months of winter, and it's starting to snow right now, but 2 more months of winter and we're back into a new season, you guys. All right, after this there will be, I do have fresh content that I've been banking from last season, but I just want to do these best ofs because I love doing them and I love editing them. So okay guys, please like, share, and subscribe. It's my buddy Nick in the white F12. Nick! Sick. That's sick.
Oh, it's manual.
Manual 360 Spider.
He has the rain light. See the rain light?
Watch out. Nice. On the way out too. Sick. Is that blue? Wow, sick.
Oh, there's the 5 and then 6 o'clock.
Oh yeah, 6 o'clock. Actually, don't take a picture of that. It's at 48.
No, that's, is it? That's black. Sick. Oh, that spec is so sick. My favorite Pistas back. Oh my god. Have a good night, man. color on this 360 Mondana. Pista, white and blue carbon Pista's back. Sick. Wow. Pista's back. N-512'M. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is that?
360.
360. Oh, that's sick. Wait. Oh my god. We've been seeing this guy a lot, but look how sick. Oh, I'm in your way. Oh, all black, 812, super fast. Oh, and it's pulling in. $599. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, sick, dude, sick. Oh my god. Look at this sick 812. Oh my god. This guy was on my channel earlier, so. Oh, here's that blue 488. Sick. 458 Speciale. Oh my god. The DBS Superleggera. Wow, black F12. Oh my gosh. Very nice. Wow. 308. F12, F12. Oh my god. Oh! Oh, with the Supra behind it. Look at that. Oh my god.